Name's Jackie Aldridge. I'm the owner of TexasTireSales and Viper Motorsport. This is my son, Blake Aldridge. Helps me run and manage day-to-day operations. I opened the Texas Tire store in 1991. Started with 3 employees. I have 23 employees company-wide now.
I'm Blake Aldridge at Texas Tire. I've been here literally since I could walk. Growing up, this is really all I've known. We've started off doing just new and used tires. Over the years, we've moved to doing full automotive, accessories, exhaust. We do lift kits, tires, wheels, suspension. Anything you possibly need, we can do it for you. When my dad started this business in '91, we only had about 4,000 square foot under roof, and now we have right over 20,000 square foot under roof. So we've almost quadrupled in size. It's pretty wild. My favorite thing about working here is meeting new people every day. You know, if it's helping someone's daughter out getting a set of tires on, you know, or talking to the parents is one of the funniest things. Their daughter comes in, I don't know what's wrong with my car. I think it's about to blow up, you know, and I have to talk to the dad and calm him down. That's probably one of the best parts of my job, is being able to put a smile on somebody's face. Making the customer happy is probably my #1 goal. I love my customers. They're good people. We really love to serve our community. We're thankful to have a bank that helps us do that. My biggest deal is to gain trust for the customer. And honestly, that's why I think my dad's been successful for over 25 years of business. You know, he's just been trustworthy with the customers. You know, he's just straight up front with them, you know, hey, this is what you need done. And obviously it's paid off. They've been coming back for years here in Parker County, so we're very thankful.